No one knew this cat was already saying goodbye. Every day the cat greeted everyone at the door. She played, she purred, she looked perfectly fine. Nothing seemed wrong. But slowly, she started choosing quiet corners. Less running, less jumping. Still, when anyone came near, she forced herself to act normal, as if nothing had changed. One evening, she walked to her favorite spot, looked around one last time, and lay down quietly. She didn't call anyone. She didn't make a sound. Because some animals hide their pain so well that even the people who love them don't realize they're losing them. Sometimes the strongest hearts leave in silence.